Before you begin, remove the access panel and processor memory duct assembly. Removal. Disconnect the rear fan cable from the system board. Release the upper retention clips on the rear fan from the chassis. Carefully slide the lower clips out of the cutouts in the chassis and remove the rear fan. Replacement. Tow the clips on the lower edge of the rear fan into the cutouts in the chassis and press the retention clips into the chassis until they snap into position. Connect the rear fan cable into the connector on the system board.